Alright everybody, welcome back to the episode of Look What the Hell My Wife Bought Me. Today we got the viral CrunchCup. It's supposed to make you a bowl of cereal on the go. Let's check it out. Boom, got it filled up. Alright, let's go. Ooh. Let's cap that off. Like it right there. Alright. Now, on this cup, you have a fill line. Boom. Show you where to stop that milk at. Boom, right there. Boom. Lock and load it. Put your cereal in. Lock it baby down and